Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your Google account is ready and the Google Drive app is installed. Open the app now. Once done, sign in with the account you plan to use. Make sure to accept storage and account permissions so Drive can read and save files. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup code ready. These steps get you immediately into the only supported mobile experience, using the Drive app, so you can access, upload, and sync files. Once inside Drive, you navigate with Search or the My Drive view. You can sort or switch to Shared, Starred, or Recent. Tap the plus button to upload photos, scan documents, or create docs and folders. This is how you add content. To keep important files accessible without internet, open a Files three-dot menu and toggle Available offline. Make sure to watch sync status icons so you know when uploads finish. If a file fails, retry from the same menu. You finish by managing sharing and file settings. Open a file, tap Share to grant viewer or editor access, or copy a link for broader distribution. If you need to revert changes, open version history in Docs or Sheets. Once done, confirm uploads completed by checking the sync icons and storage usage in Settings. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions, phone storage, and that the correct Google account is active. Clearing cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.